Right, if you've been struggling to make money online, if you really have no idea where to go, if you've never made a single dime online before, you don't know about how to drive traffic, you don't know how to generate leads or sales or anything like that, do not worry about it. You will not have to worry about that. What I'm about to show you is incredible. The guys behind it have been putting up so much effort to get this right, and they've put together such an incredible system that everybody involved can make money. And you do not have to start buying loads of traffic, testing. You don't have to buy tracking software. You don't have to create landing pages and all that goes with driving traffic. It's all going to be done for you. Right. Now, I'm talking about traffic domination. Now, a lot of you have seen this before, but you've only seen me posting about the group. Okay. The way it works, you get a special link. You can share that link. Okay. And when people click on it, they are sent to a special page. Okay. They are sent to a page like this. All right. People can get free training. They can get free $80 worth of free traffic. Basically, that's 100 click solo ad, top tier solo ad. If you don't know what a solo ad is, don't worry about it. That'll all be explained in the training. You get free coaching. You get access to all tools and training, and you get access to comment domination. Now, this helps your posts go viral on Facebook. It works like gangbusters. It's yours free. You don't have to pay for it ever. And I can't tell you how powerful Facebook marketing is on your news feed, not without having to pay a single dime for traffic. Now, this is inside the new members area. Okay, this is only just launched. So you got trading units here. Okay, we've got different trading units. So this is unit 1. Okay, so you go through all the trading units. It tells you exactly how to make money, how to use the system. You've got access to the traffic domination network. Okay, so if you've been struggling to get into CPA networks, okay, you can promote all these products, all these different products. Okay, make commissions if you wanted to. If CPA is your thing, you've been struggling to get into CPA networks, you can do that. If you don't know what a CPA network is, don't worry about it. It's covered in the training. You can promote traffic domination products. Okay. Now, what makes this unique is everybody you send to this page, okay, who joins a Facebook group, they are cookied to you, all right, for life, right? They've done so much work behind the scenes getting this cookie right so you do not lose any sales. So what happens is your people you bring in join the Facebook group, okay, but they're cookied to you. When Traffic Domination and his team, Wayne is behind traffic. Wayne Crowe is behind Traffic Domination. When him and his team promote a product, you get the commission. If anybody that you brought to this group buys the product, you get the commission. This has never been done before, right? I have already received commission from a product. It was on Monday. I received 2 commissions for a product that I've never promoted. And it's because of this group. That's how powerful it is. So for an example, there might be a Warrior Plus product that they're going to promote. They run it through a special link, so you don't have to join. You don't have to get approval from the product owners or anything. You do nothing. So Wayne and his team, they might do a Facebook Live and go over reasons why people should buy this, buy the products, etc. Do a little webinar type thing. When people buy the product, you're going to get the commission. It's so powerful. That is incredible. It's never been done before. I'm really excited about this because I know this is a hell of a game changer for a lot of people, because I know there's a lot of people struggling to make a single dime online. Okay, get involved with this seriously, and on top of that, you can actually earn money by getting on the leaderboard. All right, now this is every month. All right, so you get points for people. You get points for people who bring in. You get points for people you bring in who go through the training units, and they get points for all sorts of different things. And they're going to be adding more things where you can actually gain points. So don't think you have to be some sort of super internet marketer with massive email lists to get on this leaderboard, because you don't. And you can win up to $1,000, and you win free clicks and all sorts. Another cool thing is, as well, I've already mentioned the commissions you can make from the Facebook group, but the people you bring in, you make what called second tier sales. So any sales they make, you get a commission as well. So you can get these commissions from all these different places without actually, even having an email list, without spending money on traffic or anything like that. And there's so much more they're going to be adding to this. Seriously, get involved. Get using the comment dominator. The comment dominator is very powerful. It helps your post go viral. Okay, this is free. Get as many people into this group as you can. Just paste on Facebook, follow the training. It shows you how to get people in without spending money. It's not actually complicated. It's not hard, because you're asking people to join a free Facebook group. If you can't get people to join a free Facebook group, well, your internet market's probably not for you anyway. So get involved. People who sign up through my link, I'll be helping them with traffic, because I can make points just by helping my team get people into traffic domination. So it's all about helping each other. It's all about getting those points, getting those commissions in, and it's honestly, get excited, because I am. It's I've never seen anything like this, and I've been online a long time. So get involved. If you've got any questions, just hit me up. All right. 'Cause you're a believer.